For all the women doing a lot right now, mamas, grandmas, and my busy girls, this set is comfy, polished, and ready for real life. Meet my newest travel to everyday set, the Castley Limit 2-piece zip-up sweatsuit. And yes, it feels way more elevated than I expected. The fabric is buttery soft, smooth on the skin, but it still has enough weight to feel cozy for cool Midwest days. I'm 5'4", athletic and curvy, and I took my true size large for that comfortable, polished fit. What makes this one look designer is the sporty piping detail and the mock neck zip jacket. Clean, preppy, and put together without trying too hard. And can we talk about the front slit on the wide leg pants? It's such a good detail because it lets your sneakers show, and it instantly makes your outfit look stylish. The pants have pockets, it's easy to throw on, and I love it for errands, coffee walks, travel days, or when I'm nannying my grandsons and I still want to look cute and pulled together. I chose the green and white classic, sporty and fresh. And if you're in a season where you're rebuilding or starting over or just finding your own confidence again, let this be your reminder. You don't have to do anything perfectly. You just have to keep showing up for yourself. One good day, one good choice at a time. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Consistency is my standard.